You ever get that feeling like you're stuck in a loop, doing the same thing over and over again in some software? You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, definitely. I've been there. It's like Groundhog Day for software.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And today we're going deep on how to break free from those loops, specifically when it comes to business logic and software development.
Because it's more than just annoying, right? It actually impacts how quickly you can develop new stuff, how much time you spend fixing things, and even whether things work consistently.
Right. It's a big deal. And to help us unpack this, we're tapping into the expertise of Noorul. She's an associate software engineer over at Tiana Solutions, and with 5 years in the ERP world, she's seen it all.
Oh, yeah, she's a pro, especially with Acumatica. She's worked on over 150 different projects with it across all sorts of editions, so she really knows her stuff.
That's awesome. So what kind of problem did she run into with Acumatica?
Well, she was working on applying the same business logic to a bunch of different fields, and it was getting really repetitive. Like, imagine having to check if the data is valid
Yeah.
in like dozens of fields
Yeah.
manually.
Ugh. That sounds like a nightmare, just typing the same code over and over again.
Exactly. And that's where things can go wrong. You might miss a field, make a typo, you know?
Yeah.
It's just asking for trouble.
So how did she solve it?
She got creative and used what are called custom attributes.
Yeah, I'm not a developer.
Yeah,
So break that down for me. What are custom attributes?
sure. So think of it like this. Instead of writing out the same logic every single time, she created a custom attribute that basically holds all that logic in one place.
So it's like a shortcut, a prepackaged set of instructions.
Exactly. And then she just tags the fields that need that logic. And Acumatica automatically applies it whenever those fields are used. Boom. No more copy and pasting. No more chance of missing something.
That is smart.
Hmm.
So instead of having the same logic scattered all over the place, it's all centralized in one attribute.
Right. It's like having a single source of truth, which makes things so much easier to manage.
I can see that.
Yeah.
So if you need to update the logic later, you only have to change it in one place.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah.
And all the fields that use that attribute will be automatically updated.
That's amazing. It must save so much time and reduce the risk of errors.
Absolutely. It also makes the code way cleaner and easier to understand for other developers who might have to work on it down the line.
It's like a win-win-win situation.
Hmm.
So how did Noorul even discover this problem in the first place?
Through customer feedback, they were the ones who highlighted how tedious and error-prone it was to do things the old way.
See, that's why it's so important to listen to your users. They're the ones who are actually using the software day in and day out.
For sure. And Tiana Solutions is all about putting the user first. They're not just about solving technical problems. They're about making sure those solutions actually improve people's lives.
That's a great philosophy. So what's the big takeaway here for our listeners?
I think the key is to look for patterns in your work. If you find yourself doing the same thing over and over again, there's probably a way to automate it, or at least streamline it.
Makes sense. Whether it's custom attributes or some other solution,
Mm,
it's about working smarter, not harder.
absolutely.
Yeah.
And if you're struggling to find those solutions, or if you just need some expert help optimizing your business processes, Tiana Solutions is there for you.
They really are a fantastic resource.
Yeah.
And they're just a phone call away. You can reach them at 678-910-2774.
Don't hesitate to reach out. They'd love to hear from you.
So if you're ready to break free from those repetitive tasks and take your software to the next level, give Tiana Solutions a call. They've got the experience and the know-how to make it happen.
You won't regret it.
And that's it for our deep dive today. Thanks for joining us.
Until next time.
Bye.